Today we are going to draw something super exciting. Yeah, that's right. We are going to draw a cupcake. First, I am going to draw a strawberry. Let's draw some cream. Now I am going to draw the lower part. Join them together and draw some straight lines. I love cupcakes, they are my favorite. Which flavor is your favorite? I like chocolate cupcake. Let's put some dots on top. Now let's color it red. I am coloring the strawberry first. Green. My favorite color, pink. Oh, I am having so much fun. Please draw with me. And brown. Let's make some lines. And ta-da! I had so much fun. See you next time. Bye.